Good day, everyone. I am Lester Hamawan and I am here to discuss the characteristics of a living matter. To start, what is living matter? Living matter refers to all organisms that possess the characteristics necessary for life. It includes humans, plants, fungi, protists, and microorganisms. Living matter can grow, reproduce, obtain induced energy, respond to environment, and maintain life processes. To furthermore enhance our knowledge on living matters, I will share to you its 8 characteristics. The first one is, all living matters have cells. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. Some organisms such as bacteria consist of single cell, which humans and plants are made up of many cells. Second one is, all living matters have the ability to reproduce. Living things have the ability to produce offspring. Reproduction ensures that the continuation and survival of a species. It may occur sexually or asexually depending on the organism. The third one is, all living matters are based on a genetic code. All living organisms contain DNA, which serves as a genetic code of life. DNA stores hereditary information and determines an organism's characteristics. Genetic information is passed from parent to offspring during reproduction. 4. All living matters have the ability to grow and develop. Living things increase in size and undergo changes throughout their life cycles. Growth involves an increase in cell number or cell size. Development refers to the process of maturation and acquiring specialized functions. The fifth one is, all living matters has the ability to metabolize. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions occurring within a living organism. These reactions provide energy and materials needed for growth, repair, and survival. Examples include digestion, respiration, and protein synthesis. The sixth one is, all living matters respond to a stimuli. Living organisms can sense and react changes in their environment. Stimuli may include light, temperature, sound, touch, or chemicals. This ability helps organisms to adapt and survive in changing conditions. The 7 characteristics of a living matter or thing is homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. It ensures the cell and organs function properly. Examples include regulating temperature, blood sugar levels, and water balance. The last characteristic of a living matter that I will share is, living matter can evolve or change over time. Living organisms undergo evolutionary changes across generations. Evolution allows species to adapt to their environment and improve their chances of survival. Adaptation develops over time through natural selection and genetic variation. Why is it important to study living matter? Understanding the characteristics of living matter helps us identify what distinguishes living organisms from non-living things. It provides the foundation for the study of biology and life sciences. As a medtech, it is important for us to study living matter because in healthcare and laboratory sciences, it helps us explain how the human body functions, how disease develop, and how treatments affect living cells and tissues. Importance of living matters in our everyday life. In everyday life, it helps us understand the process that allow organisms to survive, grow, reproduce, and interact with the environment. That's all for the short discussion about the characteristics of a living matter. Thank you and goodbye.